Everyone, welcome back to my channel Clinical Dentistry Hub. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon so you do not miss out any important videos related to it. So now coming on, as I've already talked about how to prepare for NEET MDS in the last video, and I promised you to make a new video on the list of books to be followed for the NEET MDS examination. So in this video I am going to tell you about the list of books which is to be followed. Now going on, first we'll divide the books into three parts. First is your basic books, MCQ books and additional books. In your basic books, we will have the books which you have to read for theory purpose and you have already read in your BDS. So let's talk about from the BDS first year. If you want to read anatomy, just go through BD Chaurasia. For the physiology part, go for AK Jain medical one. Do not follow AK Jain dental one. I am saying this because you have to get question, approx 21% question will be there from the medical subject, and I suggest you to read medical subject from the medical books only. So AK Jain you can take, or you can go for Genong also. And then it is physiology. I've already. Now the biochemistry. For biochemistry you can go for Harper. There is lot modified point mentioned over that ATP generation in the glycolysis cycle has changed, and the book has been updated. But for the few quite understanding point of view, you can just choose Satyanarayan also. And then you have to select for DADH. DADH is the same. You have Orbans, and then you have Wheeler's, which is a must book. You should all read that book. Now going on with the dental material. There is Phillips, that is Anusavis. This very good book. Just go through it. And then you have to prepare pharmacology from AK Tripathi. Take AK Tripathi medical one, not the dental one again. And now pathology is like you can go for the Harsh Mohan. For microbiology you have Sanant Nair, then you have Parkin also, or then we have Schaefer's the must book for the oral pathology. You just have to read that book. Now for medicine it's the Davidson, or you can choose Harrison also. Or Harrison, basically the Harrison book is moreover based on the guidelines by the US, and generally we follow the US guidelines only. Now coming on to the fourth year subject books, that is for Prostho you have that McGregor for the RPD, and then for FPD you have Rosenstiel, and then for if you want to read complete denture you can go for the Boucher, or you can go from the latest modified that is the book you can go for. Pedo you have to read from the Shobha Tandon, or you can just go through the Nikhil Mara. Shobha Tandon is much modified now. There's this version of it. And then you have the other Cons book, that is conservative book. Conservative you have to read from the very study vent is there, and then for the endo you just have to go from the Grossman, and you have to various pulp chapter you can just refer to the Cohen also. And then ortho book, most of them says that Profit, but there's a book by O.P. Kharbanda also. You can go through that. Now we have book Public Health, that is the famous book of Soban Peter. For oral medicine and radiology, for the oral radiology there is White and Farrow, no doubt it's the best book. And then it is Burkitt for the oral medicine, and for oral surgery you can refer to the Nilima Malik book. And for the perio, is all know that we have Karenza at that time. So these are all the basic book. Now coming to the which all MCQ book is there. First and the foremost followed book, that is the Dental Pearls. Either you can follow the Dental Pearls or Dentist, but I will suggest you that you follow both Dental Pearls and Dentist by Gauri Shankar. Then there is the past 10 years All India postgraduate examination paper, because earlier NEET MDS examination was not there. It was All India. Then these 10 years paper is present in a book by Neeraj Wadhwan. It is a must book, and it is the best book, and it has given various answers, synopsis, that it is like you just have to go through this book. It is, then you have the AIIMS preparation book, 10 years question paper of AIIMS preparation. Buy that. Then take one, there's a book of an image based question by Target MDS करके. You can either take it or you can do the picture question by your normal basic book. Now the additional book is, I am going to tell you, is that NBDE question. NBDE question, you just have to have it. You will basically get it through the soft copy, or you can get the hard copy by, you can just visit Delhi. There is a market for the book. You just tell that you just have to buy the 10 years question of the NBDE exam. They will give you in the printed form at very reasonable price. So if you want shine and if you want to secure a good rank, you have to follow all these books. Always remember, just be committed to this, your studies, as commitment is a glue which will stick to your goal. So all the best. Keep preparing and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.